Welcome guys. So in this video we will see how to print a number entered by user. So first of all we have to declare int number. So in the next step we have to enter integer, you can say enter number by user. So that's why I am printing a line that cout enter your integer. It is the number that entered by user. Okay, and endl, which will be the ending the line. And the next step is cin. I am taking input number, so it is number entered by user. And the next step is we have to cout and printing the line that show the enter number. So I am writing here entered number is your entered number is and the number, so that it will print also number that is entered by user. So I'm writing here entered and endl, which is end the line. So guys, our program is approximately ready. So let's run the program and see the output. So enter your integer. So I'm entering 25, and let's see, your entered number is 25. So this is entered number.